Looking to start a brand new website all on your own? If you want a fresh slate, this is the perfect way to start. On the Create a Website screen, you're going to see a list of starter kits. Don't worry if you don't see the type of site you have in mind. For now, we're going to start fully from scratch. Down at the bottom, just select the Start from Scratch option. Then we simply need to give our website a name. This can be your company name, or your own name if it's a personal website. Go ahead and click Continue. On the next page, you can easily add your logo or a branding color. If you don't have one, it's not a problem. You can easily add this later. Once you're ready to see the magic, click Create Website. In no time, Cantrip will generate your temporary domain and have your site ready to be worked on. Now it's time to make your website yours. Click on the Edit Your Website button to go to your website dashboard. From here, you can start modifying pages, adding collection blog posts, or hooking up your live domain.